So today is a big day. I finally got the shelves up, and in this video I'll show you how I'm going to use them, and if you stick around the end I'll show you a little bit of a sneak peek of the lighting. So as you will see, I've got 4 shelves. The 2 main shelves are in the middle, and the bottom of those 2 will hold the layout, and then the lowest shelf will be a resting place for anything really, and the top shelf I'm going to use for probably storage of things I don't use that often, and maybe some books and stuff. And above the layout will be a space for my magazines and anything else that I need kind of relatively near to hand. So for now, let's take a look and see what it looks like. So now I've got the basis to start on with the first layout and the baseboard. I'm really starting to get a feel of how it's going to look, and actually there's quite a lot more space than I thought there would be. I thought it was going to be a lot tighter than it is. I am going to make some upgrades to it in the future, and like I say, the lighting is going to be the main one, as I'd like to be able to work on things on the actual shelf, but probably for the time being everything that I do will be worked on the bench over there. But I'm also going to apply a lip to the front edge of the top shelf to allow for the light to be balanced into the layout space. So I'm going to have to work out what I'm going to do with the back scene, and for the moment I'm going to mount it on hardboard with magnets, neodyme magnets I've been using, but at some point I'm probably going to work out a bit more of a permanent system that can be slid on and off. As the shelves are only screwed in, it does mean that I can shift them around if needs be, if I do need more space between the lower shelf and the upper shelf. But for the moment that's kind of how I've set it up, and I'm happy with that. So as you can see, this is a bit of an artificial setup, but you get the idea of what it will look like. Once I've got the rest of the LED strips, I'll have cool white, warm white and bright white, and that should give me a much better balanced light. I'm also thinking about getting an RGB strip so I can mimic both sunset, sunrise and nighttime if I want. I'm not too sure how this will work out, but it's certainly worth an experiment, and for the moment this will give you a much better idea of how things will be lit in the future. So if you're new around here and would like to see more of my videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be told of when I upload new content. So I've got more videos in the playlists over here that you can watch, and I'll see you over in the next one.